The past 4 pandemic years reminded us that by working together, we can achieve better results. As we move forward, we are re-establishing our purpose and our goal, and we will continue to help build sustainable and self-reliant communities. We would like to share with you the results of our work in fiscal year 2023. We rolled out the nationwide implementation of our Safe Motherhood Caravan and assisted more than 1,800 mothers and women of reproductive age on life-saving maternal and child health information such as pre- and postnatal consultations, facility-based delivery, exclusive breastfeeding, responsible parenthood, and family planning. We also assisted in the provision of various medical equipment and in the establishment and improvement of birthing facilities. PBSP, through the Access TB project, is a partner of Screen to Beat Lung Cancer, a program on early detection of lung cancer that aims to eliminate lung cancer as a #1 cause of death among cancer types in the Philippines through an end-to-end ecosystem solution with focus on early diagnosis and equitable access to cancer care. In TB control, we assisted in notifying more than 560,000 and treated more than 340,000 persons with TB through our active case finding activities. We continue the rollout of the COVID-19 Response Mechanism, or C19RM, through the Resilient Sustainable Systems for Health, or RSSH program, to augment the support for our partner medical institutions and local government units in providing TB services and in addressing COVID-19 related challenges through the procurement and provision of medical equipment and supplies, improvement of facilities and capacities, and trainings of medical personnel and volunteers. We supported the implementation of STEM programs in various public schools nationwide. We conducted a series of STEM education for sustainability activities that introduced STEM to young learners and highlighted its importance and its contribution to sustainability and in the achievement of SDGs. We continued the STEM Bootcamp and STEM Up programs for select junior and senior high schools and assisted in the improvement of facilities and provision of equipment and supplies for better learning experience and hands-on activities of the learners. We supported various mangrove rehabilitation programs and conducted reforestation activities around the country. Beyond its purpose of generating food and water and preserving biodiversity, the reforestation and rehabilitation of vast tracts of land and coastal areas are considered a sustainable, long-term response to climate change and are significant in providing alternative source of income to our partner farmers and people's organizations in various communities. PBSP is a preferred producer responsibility organization partner of various organizations in the implementation of the Extended Producer Responsibility Act. We commit to provide comprehensive support and guidance to the obliged enterprises throughout the implementation process. We continue to provide access to clean, safe, and drinkable water to water-stressed communities in the country through our Potable Water System project. The project provided access to potable water to various zero-extreme poverty identified communities and supports Project Transform of the DENR. This initiative provides a platform for collective action where the private sector can support the Philippine government's water security agenda and contribute to the realization of the UN Sustainable Development Goal 6. We rolled out Nanays in IT, a 6-month skills development training program that imparts IT skills to unemployed or stay-at-home mothers, enabling them to engage and participate in the global digital economy. We have completed the establishment of skills development centers in MILF camps in Mindanao. These SDGs will help create economic opportunities for former combatants and community members of the Moro Islamic Liberation Front camps and prepare them to participate in livelihood activities that will give employment or entrepreneurial opportunities to their respective communities. In Ubay, Bohol, we provided motorized and paddle fishing boats and livestock to the community's farmers and fisherfolk organizations. Vegetable seeds and farming tools were also provided. The assistance is part of PBSP's continuing rehabilitation efforts for families affected by Typhoon Odette in Bohol. Throughout the year, we have received, completed, and currently implementing a total of 194 projects. Our work continued in various collective impact platforms and in partnerships with our international donors. Our Women's Rights Action and Advocacy Project grantees has rolled out programs for their communities and supported sectors. As of September 2023, our grantees have completed a total of 15 projects and are currently implementing 41 more projects. These initiatives have reached more than 17,000 women and girls in the country. PBSP is a consortium partner and implementer of the Strengthening Institutions and Empowering Localities Against Disasters and Climate Change, or the SHIELD project. Implemented through the support of the Australian government, in partnership with the Department of the Interior and Local Government and UNDP Philippines, SHIELD is designed to accelerate resilience building efforts at the local level by collaborating with multiple stakeholders to unlock financing and implement risk-informed and inclusive resilience actions. We have completed the implementation of preparedness for protection in Southeast Asia in 6 cities and municipalities in Lanao del Sur and Maguindanao provinces. This 24-month initiative is aimed at strengthening and enhancing the protection response capacities and protection risk reduction of local disaster preparedness units, including violence prevention, at community levels, and in developing a methodology to assess the change in protection outcomes during crisis as a result of disaster risk reduction activities. We are no longer under the grip of the pandemic. We are steadily moving forward towards a more sustainable and inclusive society. We will continue our mission of uplifting lives. United as one, this is PBSP at 53, Resurgence, enabling change, empowering communities.